Dr. O Solution. My name is Oleg Nikishin. I'm founder of Dr. O Solution, ND and Master of Science. In this video, I would like to present you glass, oil and water bubbler. But first, I need to do the disclosure, FDA disclosure and OSHA ozone safety requirements. Please take a few seconds to read it and we'll be right back. I'm glad to present you glass and oil bubbler. We had the glass and oil bubbler in a breathing kit in a plastic container, and many of you called and said that you are concerned about estrogen compounds that is created from a plastic when ozone bubbles through it. Yes, it's a valid concern, and I do agree with you. If you are concerned, if you have estrogen disbalance in your system, you should be aware. So for some of you who do not concern about it, it's okay still to use it, and you can buy it as empty container, as empty deactivator, or in a breathing kit. But now we have upscale version of it. This is half a liter glass container that comes just like it is. So it has ozone in tubing, bubbles through the substance. What you do, you fill it up half a liter oil or half a liter water, depends what you want to do, and it connects directly to our ozone generator. And if you're bubbling the water for yourself, or if you use it for oil ozonation, like not fully ozonated oil, but partially ozonated oil treatment can be done in this glass container. And if you are concerned about ozone toxicity in the air, you could purchase separately the destructor. The destructor connects directly to the port, and you put ozone generator on. Obviously, now we don't do that because there is no substance, and you simply do your procedure. So the same thing you can do pretty much to do the ear insufflation. So the ear insufflation, again, we've been asked by you if we do have bubbling solution for ears, moisturizing ozone and reducing the concentration of ozone. So yes, we do have it. It connects directly to the output port. You fill up half a liter of the water, and you turn it on. You put the ear insufflations on, and here is your ear insufflations that done through the water. So I think this is very affordable. So, and we put a very special price, and we will put introductory price for you for first month. So you can purchase it now. It's available already. So you can use it for the water ozonation, the oil ozonation. You can use it with the water treatment. You can use it as a breathing kit. You can use it as ear insufflation kit. So there are many different uses. So make sure you purchase ozone destructor, and you can to be handy. So you should purchase some accessory kit as tubing extension and connector extensions. It's always handy to have it on hand. So that's all, folks, for this video, and please join us on the Facebook. We have a blog, always updated, and we have the medical ozone research group on the Facebook. This is not the business group, it's a group inside the Facebook. please find us, log on it, and share your opinion. And you can ask all the questions there. So, have a good day.